There are nights when your body is still, but your mind is not. When the world outside is quiet, but inside your head, there's a storm. You replay every word, every choice, every mistake, as if your thoughts could somehow rewrite the past. But they can't. Overthinking doesn't change what happened, it only keeps you trapped in what already was. It's the mind's way of searching for peace, in places peace no longer lives. The truth is, overthinking is not your fault. It's how the human brain is wired. Thousands of years ago, overthinking kept us alive. It helped us prepare for danger, predict outcomes, and avoid pain. Your mind learned that thinking more meant surviving longer. But in today's world, the threats are no longer tigers in the dark. They're messages left on read, decisions, regrets, and imagined failures. And your brain doesn't know the difference. It reacts to imagined fears as if they were real ones. The more you try to think your way out of overthinking, the deeper you fall into it. Because thought cannot end thought. Every new idea becomes another branch in the forest. Every what if grows another root in the soil of your mind. You're not trapped because you think too much. You're trapped because you believe your thoughts are facts. But they're not. They're stories, fragments of fear pretending to be truth. Peace begins when you stop wrestling your thoughts and start observing them. Like clouds drifting across the sky. You don't fight clouds. You just watch them pass. Overthinking is born from the illusion of control. You analyze every detail because you fear losing your grip on life. But control and peace are opposites. The more you try to hold everything, the less space you leave for anything to be. Life was never meant to be perfect. It was meant to be felt. Let go of needing to know how everything ends. Because sometimes, not knowing is what keeps the story alive. Science shows that when you slow your breathing, you calm the amygdala, the fear center of your brain. When you focus on your breath, you remind your body, I'm safe now. Overthinking cannot survive where peace resides. Because the brain listens to the body. When the body relaxes, the mind follows. Every deep breath is a signal to your nervous system that the storm has passed, that you're no longer running. You're finally arriving. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that sees them come and go. You are the quiet observer, the still lake beneath the storm. When you stop identifying with every fear, every doubt, you rediscover what was always there. A space beneath the noise, where peace has been waiting all along. And in that silence, you realize you never needed to control life. You only needed to trust it. Overthinking is not the mind's enemy. It's a teacher, showing you where you still need to heal. Don't fight your thoughts. Feel them. Then, let them go.